What if I told you that right now, today, you can apply for a United States green card by making a $1 million gift to the U.S. government? No employer sponsor, no job offer, no language test, no waiting decades in line. This is not a rumor. This is not a scam. This is a real, live, official U.S. government program, and it is called the Trump Gold Card. Stay with me because in the next 10 minutes, I am going to break down exactly what this program is, who can apply, how much it really costs, what you actually get, and the important limitations they are not putting on the front page. You are watching Immigration Radar USA, your most trusted source for breaking U.S. immigration news. Before we go any further, let me be very clear. Everything I am sharing with you today is based on official government sources. I am pulling directly from the official Trump Card website at trumpcard.gov, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, and USCIS, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. This program was formally established by an executive order signed by President Donald Trump in September 2025. Applications are now live. Real people are applying right now. But here is the thing. A lot of people are confused. They are asking, is this real? Is this a credit card? Is it just for Russian billionaires? Can I actually get a green card this way? Today we are going to answer all of those questions, simply, clearly, and honestly. Let us get into it. The Trump Gold Card is a brand new U.S. immigration program that gives wealthy foreign nationals a pathway to a U.S. green card, meaning lawful permanent residency, through a direct financial gift to the U.S. government. It is not a credit card. It is not a bank product. It is an immigration pathway, officially described as an immigrant visa program for people who can provide a substantial benefit to the United States. The program was announced by President Trump in February 2025. It was then formalized by a presidential executive order in September 2025, and the official application website, trumpcard.gov, went live shortly after. Let us talk numbers, and because this is where it gets very real. For an individual applicant, the total cost is approximately $1,015,000. Here is how it breaks down. First, you pay a non-refundable $15,000 processing fee to the Department of Homeland Security. This fee is paid up front through the official website. It covers your initial background vetting and security screening. Second, once you pass that vetting, you are asked to make a $1,000 gift directly to the U.S. government. Note the word gift. This is not a refundable investment. Unlike the old EB-5 visa, where you invested in a business and could get your money back, this $1 million does not come back. It stays with the U.S. Treasury. For a corporate gold card, where a company sponsors an employee, the processing fee is still $15,000 per employee, but the financial gift goes up to $2,000 per employee. And there is also a Trump Platinum card being developed. That one requires a $5,000 gift and has some special tax perks. But as of today, March 2026, the Platinum card is not yet live. There is only a wait list for it. We will cover the Platinum card in a separate video. So what does $1 million actually get you? A successful Trump Gold Card applicant receives lawful permanent resident status in the United States, what most people call a green card. This is issued through either the EB-1 or EB-2 employment-based immigration categories. With that green card, you and your included family members get the right to live, work, and study anywhere in the United States. No restrictions on location, no need for an employer, no need for a job offer. Your spouse and unmarried children under 21 years old can be included in your application. Each family member requires their own separate $15,000 processing fee and their own $1,000 gift. After 5 years of living in the United States as a permanent resident, you can apply for U.S. citizenship, exactly like any other green card holder. This is where I want to slow down, because this is the most misunderstood part of the program. The Gold Card is not available to everyone who has $1 million. You must also meet the legal eligibility criteria for either an EB-1A visa, which is for people of extraordinary ability, or an EB-2 national interest waiver, which is for people whose work is in the national interest of the United States. The $1 million gift serves as strong evidence of your ability to benefit the United States. But you still must demonstrate that you qualify under one of these two existing visa categories. Without meeting that standard, no Gold Card application can be approved. You must also be admissible to the United States. That means you must pass standard background checks and security vetting. Any significant criminal history or national security risk is a basis for denial or revocation. You must also prove that your money comes from a legal, traceable source. The U.S. government will require documentation showing the origin of your funds, business income, investments, inheritance, whatever the case may be. This is anti-money laundering compliance, and it is strictly enforced. The application process has 3 main stages. Stage 1. Go to the official website, trumpcard.gov, and complete your online application. Pay the $15,000 non-refundable DHS processing fee. You can pay by credit card, ACH debit, or Swift wire transfer. Stage 2. Once USCIS receives your application and fee, your background vetting begins. If you are approved, USCIS will contact you through your MyUSCIS account. Stage 3. After your vetting is approved, you submit your $1 million gift. Following that, your immigrant visa petition is filed through what is known as Form I-140G under the EB-1 or EB-2 category. If you are outside the United States, your case goes through a U.S. consulate. If you are already inside the United States in a valid status, you may be able to adjust your status through Form I-485. Official processing times have not been published, but the government has said it will be faster than the standard employment-based process. Some legal experts estimate approvals within a few weeks for the initial stages. However, total completion time varies by country and visa availability. Now let me be honest with you, because Immigration Radar USA always gives you the full picture, not just the exciting headlines. There are some real limitations to this program that you absolutely need to understand before considering it. Limitation. Number 1. Country backlogs still apply. The Gold Card uses visa numbers from the EB-1 and EB-2 pools. This means the annual per-country visa caps still apply. If you are from India or China, 2 countries with massive backlogs in the EB-2 category, paying $1 million does not automatically move you to the front of the line. You may still face significant wait times due to country of birth limits. This is one of the most critical things for Indian and Chinese nationals to understand. Limitation number 2. Your money does not come back. Under the old EB-5 investor visa program, you invested in a U.S. business and could potentially recover your funds after a period of time. With the Gold Card, the $1 million is a gift. It is gone. There is no return on that money. Limitation number 3. Legal challenges are ongoing. Some immigration attorneys and legal scholars have raised constitutional questions about whether the executive branch has the authority to create this type of program without approval from Congress. There is ongoing legal debate about the program's long-term stability. As of March 2026, the program is live and accepting applications, but it is something to monitor. Limitation number 4. You still need to qualify under EB-1 or EB-2. As I mentioned earlier, the $1 million gift alone is not sufficient. You must also demonstrate the qualifications of an extraordinary ability or national interest applicant. For many people who simply have wealth but do not have professional achievements that meet EB-1 or EB-2 standards, this program may not be available to them. Now, who is this program good for? Immigration attorneys say it is best suited for ultra-high net worth individuals who want speed and a defined pathway, and for large multinational companies that want to use the corporate Gold Card as a talent mobility tool for senior executives. So let us bring it all together. The Trump Gold Card is a real, active, official U.S. government immigration program. It gives qualifying wealthy foreign nationals a pathway to a U.S. green card through a $1 million gift to the U.S. Treasury, plus a $15,000 processing fee. You get lawful permanent residency under the EB-1 or EB-2 category, the ability to live, work, and study anywhere in America, and a path to U.S. citizenship after 5 years. But, and this is important, you still need to meet EB-1 or EB-2 eligibility standards, country backlogs still apply, the money is non-refundable, and there are ongoing legal questions about the program. If you are seriously considering this, or just want to learn more, always consult a qualified U.S. immigration attorney before taking any steps, and always apply only through the official government website, trumpcard.gov. We will continue to monitor this program and bring you the latest updates right here on Immigration Radar USA. Thank you for watching Immigration Radar USA. Subscribe for the latest U.S. immigration updates.